How to make your TikTok account public. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. After that, go to your profile icon. Then, tap on the three dot line from your top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. After that, go to account. Go to privacy and then see if the private account is enabled. If it is enabled, in order to make it public, turn this off and switch it to public account and you are done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.